In this section of coordinate geometry, we are going to look at deriving a new formula for the equation of a straight line, given any 2 points on that line. Let's begin with the previous form that we had. Here we need to know a point on that line and the gradient of that line, but we don't know the gradient in this case. However, we do know that the gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Since we have 2 points, we can find the gradient. If we substitute this into our equation, we can eliminate m. So we now have it just in terms of the coordinates of our 2 points. If we then divide by y2 minus y1, we get our new formula for the equation of a straight line. We now have 4 different forms of the equation of a straight line. We have ax plus by plus c. We have y equals mx plus c, where we need to know the gradient of the line and its y-intercept. We also have y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, where we need to know the gradient of the line and any point on that line. And now we have our most recent formula, where we just need to know any 2 points on that line. Let's take a look at some examples. For our first example, we're just substituting these points into our formula to find the equation of the line. So our formula is y minus y1 over y2 minus y1 equals x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. Substituting our values in, we get y minus 7 over minus 1 minus 7 is equal to x minus 5 over 3 minus 5. This then gives us y minus 7 over negative 8 is equal to x minus 5 over negative 2. Now, since the question didn't specify what form it wanted the equation of the line in, we can stop here. For our next example, we need to find the equation of the line that passes through A and B. We're already told what B is, but we need to find A. Now we can just substitute one of our equations into the other to give us 2x plus 3 4x minus 7 minus 21 is equal to 0. We can then expand the brackets to get this. Then we can collect terms. We find that we have 14x is equal to 42, and then we can divide by 14 to find that x is equal to 3. Then we need to substitute into one of our equations to find the corresponding value of y. Since one of them's already got y as the subject, let's use that one. So y equals 4 times 3 minus 7 is equal to 12 minus 7, so y equals 5. So we now know that A is 3, 5. So now we just need to substitute into our formula with our values for A and B. Y minus y1 over y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. Substituting our values in, we get y minus 5 over 8 minus 5 is equal to x minus 3 over minus 2 minus 3. Then we can start cleaning up. This gives us y minus 5 over 3 is equal to x minus 3 over negative 5. Now this time the question has asked for a specific form for the equation of the line. So we need to give it in that form. So we can cross multiply. Minus 5y plus 25 is equal to 3x minus 9. We then gather our terms onto one side and we get 3x plus 5y minus 34 is equal to 0. And we're done. It is very common for an exam question to ask you to give your answer in a specific format, so do pay attention to what the question asks for. Now if you're happy with that, please have a go at exercise 5D.